Yeah. It's cognitory.
Conquer the one shit, you didn't show me love. They say cows change, but I'm still the same, so let them talk, cause I don't give a fuck. Cause y'all know what I've been through. Help my pops till he died, dude. Got my ass beat with some clowns too. Moms couldn't pick them, that's child abuse, but it's all good, cause I done growed up. When it hit my mama started cutting brush, just how it is where I'm from. When he talk shit, get clapped up, that you knew that.
Yeah, I probably shouldn't do that. Yeah,
I just gotta be real, you know I don't fuck with that fake shit. You show me some love to my face, but you dumb bitches be hating. This perception is tricky. Own friends don't fuck with me like they ain't happy, like they ain't family. Man, they give up quickly. My heart warm for that shot of Jack. Reminiscing, bringing up the past. These sad thoughts got me at a loss, but if that's the cost, it ain't no looking back. I had to up that ante, sacrifice my family, said fuck you to my dreams, then gave it that plan B. I'm gone.
It's all good, 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 it's all good.
It's your boy C-Trice. Listen, I'm taking time out of my day just to better myself. Had a lonely come up, I did it with no help. Now they see my name on their screen, it won't stop blowing up my phone and shit. I was so prepared for the future, and what I make of it, there's no luck. I never thought it worked, no fake life's unequal. Yeah, you tell me comments real? The wise life shit on good people. I thought it all through, I've been plotting and scheming, collecting my dues. I wrote my whole life's a story through music, so when I blow up, I have nothing to prove. My dad told me, everyone's got a purpose, son. So I'm just asking whether where he works is fun. What's the point in talent if you ain't even using it? I see you stressing after work, you're on the verge of losing it. Damn, that's a situation I won't ever get caught up with. I've got too much appreciation for myself, and I'm in love with all the feelings and emotions that go into doing what I know I should. That's why you should all believe me when I say I'm good.
What up? What up? What up? It's Sandy.
But it's all good, it's all good, it's all good.
Man, it's all really good. Good.
It's all good.
What's up, Kyle?
Yeah, I got these old girls calling just to hit it. My old ex calling up like
you should quit it.
homie saying that you working like you never gonna be winning. But we just wanna look back and say, oh goddamn, we did it. What's up? Yeah, and that's the shit I used to dream about. And now I'm rolling over trying to get these demons out. They talking to me like I've seen them before, like they was buried up inside of me, but coming for more. And all you dap me up and act like we was homies, like you was always with me, bitch. Prove it, homie, show me. And now I'm back on my shit, act like the shit. Got your girl on me, it's a fact, I'm the shit. Know I'm up next like I'm waiting in line. Been a long time coming, but I wait for my timing. I know I got a lot in store, I'm trying to make it. And everything that I've been doing, man, it's real amazing. So when you see me, let me know if I'm real. Man, I'm just kidding, homie, fuck how you feel.
But it's all